Welcome to ThankCare-Gsm.
In this video I'm to show you how to bypass Itel P70 power model p673l Android 14 FRP lock. Connect your Wi-Fi network. You see the phone is locked to Google account. You see the browser is not opening. Now insert a lock SIM card. Press the power on and off button 2 times, then remove the lock SIM. You see the phone now show lock theme and Android setup. Slide the Android app setup to right. Click on More Settings. Click on Notification Style. Follow this video step by step. You will do this by yourself. Click on Sound. Click on Add Notifications. Google Drive app icon. Click on 3 dot up there. Now tap and hold Google Drive icon. Now you're in Google Drive setting. Select Screen Time. You see Let's try the old method to open browser. Not working. Click Help and Feedback. Click on Legal Help you see down there. Click the YouTube icon to open browser. In case your YouTube showing you update factory, reset your phone again and repeat the process from beginning. Thanks. Click on Watch on YouTube. You see Google Chrome browser open. Click on Use without account. Search a DROM FRP bypass. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more videos like this. Thanks. Open Setting app. Now you are in Phone Settings app. Look for Special Function. Open Accessibility menu icon. Turn on the Accessibility menu. You see now go back all to welcome screen. Now off your Wi-Fi network to use offline Google setup. Now stop here and open Wi-Fi network. Click Google Assist. Open setting voice commands not working. Say this voice command. Open my phone Chrome app. You see you are now back to Chrome browser. Go back to a FRP bypass and click Open Setting App. This time disable Google Play service. Select App Management. Look for Google Play Service app, disable it. Now go back to Launcher. Stop here and click Play button. Please subscribe, like, and share my videos. Thanks. Now set up lunch. If you like factory, reset the phone again. Or enable Google Play service. Factory reset for notification bar and lock screen to work normal. Thanks for watching ThankCare-Gsm. See you in the next video.